Aphidius colemanni working alone or together with the ladybird beetle provides excellent biological control of the green apple aphid. The organic products derived from worm farming, combined with biological control methods for the control of insect pests, enabled us to organically produce extremely vigorous plants. Liquid humus, combined with the solid products derived from worm farming, together with a biological control of insects, enabled us to produce grand quantities of excellent quality bell peppers using 100% organic farming methods. The following pictures show plants which were all germinated in worm humus, planted in vermicompost, and irrigated with liquid humus derived from our worm farming project. These are water chestnuts. This is an icebox watermelon. These are long-eared lettuce plants. Broccoli. We had excellent results in growing different varieties of flowers and including trees. All of the plants used in our investigation were selected due to their specific and individual soil requirements. The products of worm farming made it possible for us to match or meet the needs of an ample variety of plants. These trees are 8 months old and were started by germinating acorns in solid worm humus, and then they were planted in vermicompost and watered with liquid humus. In this comparative picture, you can see that after 8 months, the diameter of the tree trunk is the same thickness as a number 2 pencil, which is really an excellent growth rate for this variety of tree. After only 8 months of growth, this tree has vigorous branching and is actually ready for its initial pruning. All of the plants used in our investigation can be classified into one of 3 distinct categories. The first being plants which require a soil dominated by mycorrhizal fungi. The second being plants which require soil dominated by beneficial bacteria, and the third and final category are plants which require soil with a balanced mix of bacteria and fungi. Our investigation revealed that the products derived from worm farming make it possible to meet the specific requirements of any plant that we choose to cultivate, and these products enabled us to cultivate superior quality produce for human consumption using totally organic farming methods. Conclusions as a result of our investigations from the years 2004 and 2005 indicate that if we choose to do so, we can irrigate the redworms with liquid humus, and doing so would improve the general quality of the products produced in the worm production center. We have learned that if we choose to do so, we can amplify the variety of semi-decomposed organic material in the diet of the worm, and by doing so we exercise some control over the specific elements recovered in the worm's excrement or humus. This means that the worm excrement can be matched to the specific needs of our crop. Further, we learned that applying liquid humus to the bean plants we cultivate for use in our biological control projects prolong the life of the plants in spite of the insect infestations, and the plant's tissues are charged with the nutrients essential for the maximum biological reproduction capacity of the spider mites, both the prey and the predator. This then concludes our presentation, and thank you very much for your attention.